Check out this LeapFrog Leap Builder Set. 81 pieces, jumbo pieces in here, so your little one can learn how to build. And also has the alphabet and some different items on them, so you can learn about fruit, bananas, fish. You can actually learn. There's a lot of learning involved here. 2 years plus is what it is. 81 pieces in this jumbo block kit. I'm just going to show it to you real quickly. This is a base that I would recommend using to build upon. Put that down like that. Then you can actually just start building right on top of that, like you can see here. So you can see how you build them. You can start building, you can start playing. You can see here they all interact, they all interconnect. Another piece here. You can just really continue going up and on. Really building beautiful things. Here's some letters here, letter F. So you can continue going that they're nice and big. You can see the size of these things are really nice and large, so you don't have to worry about them really eating these pieces. This is pretty big, but it is for 2+, just so you know. And you can see here, you can continue going and going, having a lot of fun just playing and building and always learning about construction and just learning about putting pieces together. And that's really cool. So you can see here in the kit, it has 81 pieces in here. Comes with the little instructions. My little one absolutely loves it. It's fantastic. The colors are great. You can learn about colors. So you can do a lot of things with this. You can learn about colors. You can learn about the alphabet. And you can also learn about building all at the same time with one kit. And I absolutely love it. And you can use the base here, so keep it steady so it won't fall over. This is a fantastic kit. I absolutely love it. Your kids will love it too. All in this nice bucket. And when you're done, put everything back in the bucket. Easy cleanup. Easy storage. Just like you see, this one on top. And put it right away. That's all you got to do. Thanks for watching.